Instructors who are new to a MOOC tend to focus on the technology features in order to mimic their classroom actions.
Such a teacher-centric approach is known to be not so effective, especially today in the 21st century, where learners have tremendous access to a variety of diverse sources of information.
It is important to focus on the pedagogy of a MOOC in order to foster student learning and engagement.
A learner-centric approach is one broad pedagogical principle that is known to be effective in a variety of settings.
Over the past few years, we have conducted several such learner-centric MOOCs and have seen significantly higher learner persistent rates than that are reported elsewhere.
This course is for anyone who is interested in creating a MOOC or using any other MOOC in their teaching.